tu hermano. Más cerquita, chiquillos. Mira, uno.
Oh.
¡Ah! Muy bien. A ver, ahí quédate en la cama.
Let's see if she'll walk to you in your new bed.
No, it's too much of a distraction.
Juliet, you gotta call her. Say, come here, Magdalene.
No.
You gotta talk to her. What are you laying in, Juliet?
A bed.
What kind of bed?
Big girl bed.
Whoa, goodbye. Why are you running away? Magdalene, what are you doing in the big girl bed? You think you're ready for that? You're just gonna tear it apart, huh? Hey, Magdalene. Hello.
Wow, ¿qué es esto?
The monkey box.
Sí, y dice...
Whoa.
Cárgame, por favor. Oh, oh. Es un chango.